welcome back to my channel. These are just some really quick Christmas decor items that I put up in my house this year. I know it's like really last minute and everyone already has their things up, but I just thought I'd throw this one out there. I'm making a wreath first. Very easy. Like everything else, it's all from the dollar store. I got the form from the dollar store and all these random accessories, and I'm just going to cover it with this like, what is that, lace? It's like a lace burlap ribbon. So I'm just going to get it all covered in that, and then with all those accessories I showed you, I'm just going to arrange it however I think is like kind of cute and begin to glue it down. For these like nautical rope trees, I'm going to be using this scrap construction paper that I just had. You can use any paper or whatever you have around. You're just going to start like in the top corner and begin to roll it into that cone shape, and then just glue it off and cut it to whatever size that you want it. I also have this nautical rope from the Dollar Tree. They have it in this tan nautical rope, and I also used the jute, like the thicker one as well, for that one there. And I'm just sizing it up together because I want this one to be like a little bit shorter. And that's pretty much all I did for this one. And I also have these little terracotta plants, not plants, but the little pots, and I painted over them white, and to give it the paint like a little texture, I just mixed some baking soda with the paint, and you'll see me do that as well. And that's it for this one. So this last one is probably my favorite because it's so easy and so simple. You can put it anywhere around the house, like on the middle of your dining table, on your mantle, your end tables, whatever. So you're just going to use these glass vases from the Dollar Tree. You're going to fill the bottom with this little moss to give it like a little grassy look. And then they have these little trees. They come in like 2 different sizes, but you can only fit about one in this little cylinder one, and then I have a wider one at the bottom that I can fit 2 inside. But anyway, so you're just gonna put the moss at the bottom of the glass, add your little tree and your little faux snow on top, and then I just decorated the brim of the vase there, and that's like it. And they're so simple, but they're so cute, and it can like go for winter decor, meaning you can keep it up like a little bit longer than just the Christmas season, or you can just leave it up for Christmas. But this is like one of my favorites, so that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to just like subscribe for some more fun, easy, super affordable DIYs. Happy holidays.